Hey, what's up guys, MagicMon here, and today I'm going to be showing you a really cool card trick, so anyways, enjoy the video. Okay guys, so this is an effect I actually came up with last night. It's an original effect, so anyways, enjoy the video. So you can have the spectator pick a card. I don't know why I said enjoy the video twice, but anyways, so the King of Hearts, so I'll stick in the middle of the deck. So now what's gonna happen is, sorry, dropped a bunch of cards. Okay, that was a fail at a pass because the cards like fell all over the place when I did. Okay, so the card's on top right now, but I'll just cut it into the middle just like this. Okay, and then give it a few more cuts. Okay, give it a few more cuts. Okay, okay, and give it a shuffle. And let's give it one last cut. Now, if I snap my fingers, your card is not on top, so I don't know why I snap my fingers. So this is not a double lift, this is, okay, your card is not on top, right? Okay, now, oops, sorry. And your card is also not on bottom, right? Okay. And then just like that, your card is on top. So that's the trick. Stick around for the tutorial. Okay guys, so you're gonna have them pick a card. It's a random card. All you need to do is control it second from the top. So I tried to do a pass, but it failed because when I went down like this, the deck sort of like went sideways like this when I went to put it back, so it like hit the table and fell. So that was a fail. So let's say I'll use the Queen of Diamonds. So anyways, just control it to the second from the top somehow. So what I did was I just got it to the top and then I just like cut one card to the top. But since it's straight down at the camera, it looks just like it's you're cutting the deck. So anyways, way you can do this though is by, I guess, just like what I said. You could kind of like when you're putting in the middle, or sorry, I'll move this. So when you're putting in the middle, okay, so you're gonna get a thumb break on the bottom card like this, swing cut this, have them put the card in like this. When you flip it over, you can drop that on as you get a pinky break, and then like cut it to the top, whatever you want to do. And then it's second from the top. Now what you're gonna do is show that the card is not on top, and then you show, and it's supposed to look like you're just like, okay, and it's not on bottom, and then it's their card right there. Now what I'm doing is when I flip over the deck, I'm flipping over this card with it, so then it flips over. Okay, so anyways, let's get into this. So you're gonna get a pinky break under the top card, not the top card, but under the second from the top card. So yeah, I guess under two cards. And then you're going to perform like kind of to the side, so the spectator's going to be looking at your hand, and you're going to like basically do a double lift like this, but you're going to drop the deck on it. Instead of you flipping the card onto the deck, you're putting the deck onto the card, and then you flip it back on, and then it's like, wow, you know. So that was just a cool idea I came up with. I don't know. So then you come over here, they're looking at your hand. They won't see this movement you drop the deck on. You want to be careful of that. You say like, that's not your card either, right? Flip it back over and it's like, wow, it's their card. So that's the trick. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And anyways, one sec. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.